I cannot return it. I cannot return this top, but I still have the tag on, and I've worn it twice. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ty, and we just talk about fashion here. Alright, so let's get right into today's video. As you can see, as promised, I am wearing my Zimmermann top that I got recently, and I wanted to just do a quick review on this top. These are for the girlies that are looking to purchase it. However you're purchasing it, however you're going to purchase this, either in the store, preload, online, whatever. With slightly overpriced things, I think these are going to be helpful, because that way you won't have to buy different sizes, and you can just kind of ascertain what size works best for you. Alright, so this top. What can I say? It is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I actually got this in another color because it's that good. So this top is from this summer's collection from Zimmermann, and it is made out of I think it's called like a silk fleece or something, like a silk material, and it's got a cuffing detail by the arm, so you can kind of scrunch it up, down, however you want to do it. I like to keep it just underneath my elbow. And then it has this sort of ruffle detail. You can put it down this way, but I like it a little bit higher on me. I just like it that way. It does have this little sort of cleavage opening here, and that is controversial, I guess. I don't really like cleavage like that, showing cleavage like that, but I just thought this top was just too cute, and I could just kind of get away with it. It's not too much, so it's just a nice little fitted top. You don't need to wear a bra because it has boning as well, so you don't need to wear a bra. And it's like a hook and eye closure in the back with a smocking detail, so it's stretchy a little bit in the back, so there's some room to give. I am wearing a size 1. I would say I'm more a small on top and a medium in the bottom, but even though I'm a medium in the bottom, I do need to take my pants in at the waist. So even the pants I'm wearing right now, I do need to take it in a little bit, but I'm not going to do that. But just room for food, you know what I mean? So yeah, so I really like this top. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'll turn around. I don't know if you can see. Can you believe I still have the tag on? I'm not returning it. I cannot return it. I cannot return this top, but I still have the tag on, and I've worn it twice. Because every time I want to wear it, I say, oh, I'll cut it off, but I'm also rushing, so I'm oh, where are my scissors, and then I'm just rushing out. I just tuck it in. I'm not giving this top away, okay? I'm wearing it and I'm not returning it, but I still have the tag on, okay? So don't judge me. But this is the way it looks in the back. I hope this is the way it looks in the back. It's just a nice top. So yeah, and like I said, it has boning and everything, so you don't have to wear a bra. At least I don't. And just because of this deep cleavage here, I will not wear a bra because it will show, most likely. So there's that. I will not recommend this top for anyone that is very busty. If you are busty, I will not recommend this top because there's barely any room, right? There's barely any room. So I would not recommend it. Or maybe if you go a size up, it might work for you, but I don't know how that would fit on this ribcage area. So for me, this fits like a glove. It fits amazingly. So I would not recommend it if you're busty. If you're between an A and B, this top is cute. One thing I will say though, if you're really small, I don't know, well, those are going a different way, but if you're really small, I think you'll be fine, but you might need some tape just so that it doesn't like come out. You know what I mean? Like if there's a lot of room here, you know what I mean? It's very structured. So, you know, definitely try it on and see how it fits for you. But I would say if you're like a B cup, B, C, like you're good. You're good. You're in a sweet spot. I saw somebody online with this top. I think that was the only person I ever saw online, and this was like after I got mine. And I saw her with this top in a different color, and she was slightly busty, so she made it work. She may have gotten like a 1 or 2 because she's skinny. So I would say if you're like a C, you know, maybe a D, try maybe getting a size up just to see if there's enough room there for you. But you can test the waters. But I would say this is for the small to medium chest girls. It fits amazing on the small to medium chest girls. That's all I can say from my experience. Yeah, so this is the top. It has really beautiful color detail. It's like a nice grayish, like a grayish, and the white is like a white. It's slightly creamy, but I would say it's more white than creamy, or beige. So it goes well with like beiges and like creams and like grays. So yeah, I really like this outfit, and yeah, that is it for today, guys. I think I've explained enough with this top. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think if you have any questions, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.